YouTube, what's poppin', man? It's your boy Trap Waves, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, teach you how to do a clay and lay Trap Waves edition. Alright, so hey, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button, and make sure you hit that notification bell. Alright, it's your boy Trap Waves. Stay tuned.
To the visit he got, doing this shit for the sport, moving them forks, ain't nobody topping Trap Waves.
Okay, so let's just go ahead and just start this video off. These are things you need to be able to actually complete a clay and lay. So you need a plastic bowl, you need apple cider vinegar with the mother, you need Aztec clay, which is Indian healing clay. Right here I'm using oils. That's Regal 7 growth oil, lavender oil. Now what I'm about to tell you, you can use whatever oils you desire. Basically you need to find oils that'll benefit your hair and your porosity. Okay, I'm using Argan smoothie conditioner, and also I'm using Tea Tree Tingle conditioner. And you always need to use a plastic spoon, okay? Always. Alright, so now I'm about to add the clay and lay to the bowl. I used to measure my stuff, but I've been doing it for quite some time. So right now I'm just, using the spoon to kind of eyeball what I'm actually applying to the bowl. I think I put about 4 or 5. No, I put 6. I put 6 spoons of clay into the bowl. Now, when you add in the apple cider vinegar, you basically add moisture to the actual clay. Like I said, if this your first time, you're a beginner, you want to get something to measure the apple cider vinegar, because you don't want to waste your products. And just make sure you just mix it up really good. Now I'm adding the oils. This is basically helping out with my consistency. You want to have like a pudding-like consistency, alright? And now I'm adding conditioner. This is probably the 3rd or 4th time I've been doing it with the conditioner, and as you can see, the consistency of it before I did the conditioner. Now watch what it looks like after I start mixing it with the conditioner. I mean, in my opinion, I feel like I get like the best consistency out of my clay and lay when I add the conditioner to it. Like it's just when I put it in my hair, it feels way better. Like I don't know, I just started doing it. I just decided to try it. I think people been trying it, but this is my 3rd or 4th time actually trying it, and I love it. I highly recommend you, trying out the clay and lay and then figuring out things that work for you. Alright guys, you seen it. Alright, I showed y'all how I mix my clay. Alright, you seen my specialty. Alright, I put conditioner in it also. It helped me with the consistency, and hey, when you see how I come out, you're gonna want to try it too. Alright. So hey, we're about to go ahead and changing this. So alright, so hey, boy, I'm ready to, go ahead and wash. Alright. First thing first, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm looking like. Alright, before I start washing my hair, I'm gonna need a towel. Alright, you're gonna need a towel. So during the clay and lay, of course, you want to always wash your hair. Make sure you basically get the dirt and everything that's in your hair before you actually apply the clay. I think I got the wash brush probably from Walmart or Target or something. I can't actually remember exactly where I got it from. But I can, if somebody asks me, I definitely can find out and let you know. But it definitely helps because I'm getting down to my scalp, making sure, I get the dirt, like I said, out my hair. My hair wasn't, that dirty. Normally you want to do like 2 to 3 washes. I actually, washed my hair the day before, so I kind of got my hair prepared, to be able to do the clay and lay today. So as you can see, my hair was lathering up already. And normally that's how you know your hair is like somewhat washed, because your hair lathers up like crazy when your hair is clean. Like your hair dirty, like you're not gonna get that much lather. So I always, basically smooth out everything. Okay, so now it's time to basically apply the clay. So I always recommend you start from your crown area, okay? I also recommend, if you're a beginner, get you an applicator brush. It'll make it very easy for you to apply the clay and lay and distribute it evenly. I've been doing this for quite some time, and I just like using my hands. It can get a little messy doing it, so you just got to take that in mind. But it works for me, and like I said, whatever works for you, works for you. I just like using my hand because it's just easier for me. I have an applicator brush, but I don't use it. So I think in my last clay and lay video, I did use the applicator brush. But as you can see, I went around my crown first before I actually applied it to my whole pattern. And just to let y'all know, so I want to give y'all bad gouge. You normally want to brush your clay in. Like I said, I've been doing this for a while. I haven't been brushing the clay in because I steam my clay in. It makes it very messy, when you're using the brush, because now you got to clean out your brush and all that. So, and also I apply the clay to my face. And I let it sit for about 15-20 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna wipe it off. Give me a clean towel and wet it, and make sure I get all the clay off my face. But this is something you don't have to do. You can just apply the clay to your hair. It's up to you. Whatever works for you works for you. Whatever you want to do, it's up to you. So
20 minutes later.
Now I come back, my face is kind of stiff. It's like dry, so you know that the clay got down to your pores, got in your skin. And one thing I can say in this video, I didn't put in there. I didn't put that I steamed in my clay. So I think I just said that earlier, but I like to steam in my clay, basically to open up my cuticles. So when I do wash it out with warm water, and then I hit it with the cold water, it definitely lays my hair down. And once I unrag, it gives me that silky look. So as you can see, I'm using a mesh rag. Okay, so the clay can actually come out my hair, and I wouldn't have no clay in my head when I unrag. So one of the things I didn't tell y'all at the beginning of the video, a clay and lay is good for detoxification. You can basically detoxify all the toxins in your hair, and also from your scalp. So basically, if you have a healthy scalp, you're gonna have healthy hair. Alright, so I'm about to go hit the shower real quick and I'll be right back.
6 hours later.
Alright, I know this is the moment everybody's been waiting for. Alright, to reveal my results of doing the clay and lay. Alright, I'm not gonna hold y'all too long. Let's get into what it looked like, alright? Guys, y'all see the results, man. Hey, so let me know in the comment section below what you think about my clay and lay, alright? Trapways edition, you dig what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all think, man. You know what I'm saying? I want to know y'all opinion, alright? You know what I'm saying? Let me know, is it a dope method or no? You know what I'm saying? Is it worth it or no? You feel what I'm saying? Hey, with that being said, if you watched my video, I appreciate you watching it, alright? For all y'all that just stuck around, I appreciate it, alright? So with that being said, I'm doing a giveaway real soon, alright? So hey, if you didn't watch this whole video, and hopefully you didn't skip to see the results, you get what I'm saying? In the comment section, make sure you comment Trapways, alright? That's how you're gonna enter in my giveaway. Hey, it's gonna be a dope giveaway. So hey, it's your boy Trapways, and to the next video, stay wavy. If you ain't got you none, grab a brush, and like my boy Hurricane say, you better get you some. Huh? I'm out. Salute.